Morning viewers at home. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Chana Mokaila, and hope you got Chana's Katabo. Chana's Katabo is basically a choreographed self-defense moves put into an aerobics workout. This would be a very good workout for somebody who want to improve their fitness levels, they want to improve their cardiovascular training and a little bit of resistance training using your own good weight. Come on, Zoma, we're going to be punching, kicking, and striking. Are you guys ready? If you are ready, show me by lifting up your guards and watch the screen. Are you guys ready? All right. Ready? Same like we go up with a jump and hold. Let's go. Jump, hold. Cross punch. One, hold. Come again. One and hold. One more. Let's go. Now one with a jump and hold. Let's go. 1, 2, back. Come again. 1, 2. Now watch how I'm gonna do this. Lift it up and back. As if you are reaching back. Let's go. That's 1, 2. One more. Go. 1, 2. You are about to give me a lead. Let's go. 1, 2. Come again. Come again. Let's go. 1, 2. Let's go. Give it up. 1, 2. Here we go. 1, 2. Knee. Let's go. 1, 2. Knee. Lift it up. Let's go. 1, 2. Knee. Come again. 1, 2. Knee above your belly. If your knee doesn't go above your belly button, what's your zeal? You want to work on those abs, you need to lift your knee up. 1, 2, that knee. You see that? Let's go. 1, 2. The knee is going to turn you into a kick. Let's go. You watch it up. 1, 2, kick. You turn. 1, 2, kick. Let's go. 1, 2, kick. Come again. 1, 2, kick. Let's go. 1, 2, kick. Come again. 1, 2, kick. We go. 1, 2, kick. Let's go. 1, 2, one last set. Let's go. Give it up. 1, 2. I don't see that kick. Where's the kick? Where's the kick? Let's go. Give it up. Let's go. 1, 2. Last set. Go. 1, 2. Up we go. 1, 2. Up we go. 1, 2. Up we go. 4, 3. Now we go to the side. Let's go. Jump. Jump. Side. Jump. You go. Remember, your power doesn't come from your joints. It comes from the waist. Watch. Twist. Right there. Twist. You go. Jump. You go. Jump. Go. Jump. Take it down. Jump. Watch. Lunge. Take it to the down. Let's go. And lunge. Bring it up. Lunge. Let's go. Let's go. Give it up. Give it up. Remember, there's no other way. For you to really see results and look it up, you need to join the system, which is the way you're going to be training. Push it up. Let's go. Push. One more. Join the system. Let's go. Your fitness. Let's go. Bring it up. And challenge yourself. Give it up. Are you guys enjoying? Are you enjoying at home? You are in the system. Give it up. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, we go. With a squat and back. Squat. Back. Squat. We're going to add a little bit of a kick. Let's go. 1, kick. 1, kick. Now it's important for you. So I'm going to kick. Don't want to leave it over joint. Just snap, kick, and back. Do not overextend. If you overextend, joint problems, as you get older, in Amatata, working, China start to go over the things. We don't want that. Again. Keep going. Squat. Proper squat. Proper squat. Your 4. And for you to stretch right after a very good workout of kata box. Bring it up and back. Guys, thank you so much for joining us. We're going to see you Wednesday. Come on, we should be doing a little bit of resistance training. With that being said and done, thank you so much, my love crew. See you next time.